How to fix SIM card no service issue on Android. Experiencing a no service issue on your Android device can be frustrating, especially when you need to stay connected. This problem can be caused by various factors, such as network issues, SIM card problems, or device settings. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve network issues. Press and hold the power button, and when the restart button appears, you need to tap on the slider and restart your device. Second step is to check the network coverage. Ensure you are in the area with good network coverage. Move to a different location if necessary. The third step you can follow is to toggle airplane mode. Turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This can reset your network connection. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings menu. Scroll and locate the airplane mode on your device. Tap on it for a while, and after that you need to turn it on. This will help you fix different kinds of issues regarding your network. Following this step, if your issue has not been yet fixed, then you need to remove and reinsert SIM card. You need to simply power off your device. Remove the SIM card using the SIM eject tool. Check the SIM card and SIM tray for any damage or dot. Reinsert the SIM card and power on your device. Once you have done that, finally you need to check for software updates. Ensure your device is running the latest software version. Go to the settings on your device. Search for the system updates or software updates. So let's type in update and the list of update appears on your device. Now tap on software update and open it. If you see any updates, you need to tap on it and update your device. At last, if the issue persists, contact your carrier customer support. They can check if there is an issue with your account or network in your area. By following all these steps, you can troubleshoot and potentially resolve the no service issue with your SIM card on an Android device. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you.